So Alan, that's the 8700 Ford Escape. It's looking pretty good. Has a small bumper thing here, but too small. But all the rest is pretty good, man. It's pretty good, man. Smelling good, clean, beautiful. I like it. I like it a lot. Good tires, pretty good tires. Good rims. Inside, pretty solid. Yeah, there is a lot of like sensors failing. It's normal, right? It's an island car. So. ABS fault and sensor fault. It's okay, man. It's okay. I'm fine with that. The engine is good. Look, AC, USB present. Man, the AC is freezing cold. The engine, man, is brand new. It's really decent car, man. No oil, no everything new. V6, dude. Fuck, this car is golden.